In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page transitions in Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance the overall user experience of your website by incorporating smooth, professional-looking transitions between pages, you're in the right place. Page transitions can make your site feel more polished and engaging, leaving a lasting impression on your visitors. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, this feature can give your site a unique and modern touch. So let's dive right in and go step by step through the process to get you started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the Wix Studio homepage. This is where everything begins, so make sure you're at the official Wix Studio website to avoid any confusion. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the login page where you'll be able to access your Wix Studio account. If you're not already logged into your account, don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. Now for an even smoother login experience, you can select the Continue with Google option. This is a great choice if you've already linked your Wix account to your Google account. It saves time and you won't have to manually enter your credentials. Once you select this option, follow the prompts to complete the login process. If you've done everything correctly, you'll be taken straight into the Wix Studio interface. After you're logged in, focus your attention on the Wix Editor interface. This is where all the magic happens. If you're new to Wix Studio, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace. Don't worry, it's intuitive and user-friendly, so you'll feel comfortable in no time. Now, let's move on to the next step. Look for the site style icon. It's represented by a paint palette icon, so it's pretty easy to spot. This icon is your gateway to customizing the overall look and feel of your website. Click on it, and you'll see a menu pop up with a variety of design options. Within the Site Style menu, locate the Page Transitions option. This is the feature we're focusing on today, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need to add those sleek transitions to your pages. Once you find it, click on it to open the Page Transitions menu. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see a list of available transition styles displayed on your screen. Take a moment to explore the options and see which ones resonate with the vision you have for your site. One popular choice is the out-in transition. It's a smooth and professional effect that works well for a variety of websites. Of course, you're free to select any style that fits your site's theme and personality. Once you've decided on a transition style, it's time to apply it to your web pages. Simply select your desired effect, and Wix will handle the rest. These transitions will now enhance the navigation experience for your visitors, making your site more interactive and visually appealing. And that's it. You've successfully added page transitions to your Wix Studio website. With just a few simple steps, you've elevated the user experience and given your site a polished, professional edge. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.